Polynomials are written in the form, general form is ax square plus bx plus c, where the degree of this variables, x is variable and the degree of the variable is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called as quadratic polynomial. So this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Then this polynomial will become equation when we equate this to some number or 0. When the same polynomial had some value, so we have equated to some value number, then this quadratic polynomial will become quadratic equation. Okay, so this chapter we are learning to find the values of x, finding the value of x. Okay, so now in this chapter we are dealing with solving these quadratic equations. That means finding the value of x which can satisfy this equation. Now finding the value of x, there are three parts of this chapter. First is finding x value. Second one is condition for solvability here also. So that is the types of nature of roots. Roots, that is values of x. There is a, without solving equation, we will find out what type of a roots that equation has. And third, word equations again, word problems. Okay. So first part, solving quadratic equation. Solving equation. That means finding value of x, or also the value of x is also called as roots. Finding roots of the quadratic equation or finding values of x, both are same. Now this can be done by three methods. One, by simple factorization. Different methods of factorization we can use. One of the common method of factorization is middle term splitting. Second one, by using quadratic formula. There is a formula called quadratic formula. And third one is by completing square method. So this part is removed from the syllabus. Completing square method is removed from the syllabus. So first two methods are important methods. So already out of that factorization method, you know of middle term splitting, you have already learned. The same thing we have to put forward here also. And then one extra you are learning, that is quadratic formula. Okay. Now I will explain you what is quadratic formula and how to solve by using quadratic formula. So any equation, suppose equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now what are a, b, c? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant number, numeral. Okay. Now we have a formula given by value of x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is actually obtained by using completing square method. Okay. So suppose I will derive this better. The way, by using factorization method, we can derive it. See here, this is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we have to write it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square form. So here it is x square is there, a don't have square. So we will do here multiplying with a. We will multiply this equation with a, so that is we will get the square of first term. Only see what is going on. This is not the part of your syllabus. Only the formula from where this came, I'm trying to explain you. Okay. So I'm multiplying full equation with a square x square plus abx plus ac is equal to 0 into a is 0. Now this is in the form of a square. This should be in the form of 2ab. And now we have to find the value of b square. So then it is in this form. So this is ax whole square plus abx. We will take ac on first other side. So it is minus ac. Now a square is this, ax square we got. Then 2ab, if this is 2ab form, so what is the value of, sorry, instead of this one, we will take it another variable, then it will be more clear. So we'll take it as p and q. P plus q whole square is equal to p square plus 2pq plus q square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to write this equation in this form. So that is we can use this property. So ax square, that means this is p square. Now this should be in the form of 2pq and then we need to get q square. Now 2pq is abx. So what p is what? Ax is p. Value of p is ax. Then what can be the possible value of q? We want to find out. So 2pq is equal to abx, abx. So what is p value? Ax into q is equal to abx. So find the value of q from here. So this x get cancelled, this a get cancelled. So 2q is equal to b. So what is the value of q?
b by 2.
B by
b
2.
by 2. So write it here in that order properly. Ax square plus 2 into p. P is what? Ax into q. Q is b by 2. Now by simplifying this, we will get the same. Right? So we have written the same, this term in this form, 2p q form. So what we need to convert this into q square we need. So it is q is b by 2 whole square. Now here we have added b by 2 whole square. Then other side also we have to add the same. So then only the change will not be done. We have taken only this term extra and tried adding both the sides. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is in the form of p square plus 2pq plus q square. Now after factorization, what we will get?
ax
Ax
plus b
plus
by
b
2.
by 2 the whole square.
Ax plus b by 2 whole square is equal to minus ac plus b square by 4. Right? Now simplify this. So this is minus 4ac plus b square by 4 is equal to ax plus b by 2 whole square. Now take the square root both the sides. So we will get ax plus b by 2 is equal to, now square root of this numerator could not be square root, we cannot do. So we can write in the square root form in proper order, b square minus 4ac and 4's square root will be 2, right? And this square root can be positive as well as negative. Now simplify to get the value of x. X is here. So this b by 2 we will transfer to RHS. Ax is equal to minus b by 2 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Combining to all, b minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2 is equal to ax. So value of x is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the value of x. So by using this, we can calculate the value of x. Able to understand somewhat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Derivation not asked. They won't ask you derivation. But
So,
student
ma'am, I have a
generally
doubt.
asks, yeah.
Ma'am, when do we have to take that plus root of b square minus 4ac or minus root of b square minus 4ac?
Quadratic equation has how many zeros?
2 zeros.
2 zeros. So that means two values of x possible.
Yes, ma'am.
So for finding one value of x, we have to use plus sign. And finding another value of x, we have to use minus sign.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? So two values of x. One we will get by using this plus sign in between. And another value of x, we will get it by finding minus sign in between. Clear? So this is called completing square method. That's the reason they have removed, because students are not able to understand it.
Ma'am, so
2 years
year
back they have removed.
ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, so this year it will be there or not?
No, 2 years back only they have removed. Not because of COVID, online classes. They have removed beforehand only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to remember this formula: minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now what are these a, b, c? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down first this point. So we will solve questions by using this.
Mom, should we write the derivation?
If you want, you can. If you don't want, you don't. No need to write, because it is not mandatory. That is only I have told you for your information, because many of the students have always in mind that is from where this formula came.
Mom, can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Mom, can you scroll down?
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then solving questions. Suppose we have a question like this, not a simple one, type 1 or simple questions. This is the equation we have to solve. First, this is not in the quadratic or the standard form. So we have to write in a standard form, that is a ax square plus bx plus c form. So take LCM. LCM will be x. So it will become 16x square minus 10 by x is equal to 27. So 16x square minus 10 is equal to 27x. Now take 27x on this side, LHS. So minus 27x minus 10 equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. Now you can solve it if it is easier for you to solve it by middle term splitting, and if it is not possible by middle term splitting, you are confused, you are not getting the middle terms in which you have to divide, then you can use quadratic formula. Let's suppose we will solve this by quadratic formula. Then how to solve? So first write the values of a, b and c. So what is a here?
16
16. B is
minus 27.
minus 27 and c is
minus 10.
minus 10. So first we have the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So for this we will solve separately the value of b square minus 4ac. We will calculate b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 27 square minus 4 into 16 into minus 10. 27 square is 729 minus minus plus 64 into 10 is 640. 9, 6, 13. 1369 is b square minus 4ac. And this value is called discriminant d. So this is the value of d. Now we need to calculate the square root of b square minus 4ac. So square root of 1369 is
36.
37. 7 square. No, yeah, 7 square is 49. So it is 37. So we have to use now formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b value is minus 27. So minus of minus 27 plus minus square root we already calculated, that is 37 divided by 2 into 16. So minus minus plus, plus minus 37 by 32. So one value of x by taking plus sign. So 27 plus 37 by 32, or another value of x is by taking negative sign. 27 minus 37 by 32. Simplify. It is 14,664 by 32, which is 2. So one value of x we got 2, and the second value is minus 10 by 32. Minus 5 by 16 is the second value. Understood?
Ma'am, I got disconnected. Can you just explain it again?
Till where you were?
Ma'am, when you told the question.
Here, first simplify this question and convert it into this with ax square plus bx plus c form. By taking LCM, you have to simplify this. It will become 16x square. LCM is x, so you have to multiply this with x. 16x square minus 10 by x is equal to 27. 16x square minus 10 is equal to 27x. Then take 27x on LHS. 16x square minus 27x minus 10 equal to 0. So this is our main equation. Now write the values of a, b, and c. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So a is 16, b is minus 27, c is minus 10. Then for this formula, before substituting this formula, we will calculate this value separately. So first calculate b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 27 square minus 4 into a is 16 into c is minus 10. So minus 27 square is plus 729 and minus minus plus 640. So you will get 1369 is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now we need square root. So we'll calculate that square root outside only. So square root of 1369 is 37. And then substitute all the values in formula. So minus b, that is minus of minus 27 plus minus 37 by 2 into 16. So this is, now for one value of x, we have to use plus sign. One value of x, we have to use minus sign. Simplify, you will get the two values of x.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So everyone, write it down.
Will they ask in a specific way to do?
What?
Will they ask in a specific way to do, like do it?
No. You can solve by any way. There is no method. They won't ask by solve it by quadratic formula or anything. You can use any method.
Ma'am, and the square root, will it come always?
No, it cannot. It can be an irrational number also, no problem. It can be irrational number as well. Square root you are not calculating in decimals.
Mom, if it's irrational, then it won't have a proper value, right?
It will come in square root terms only. I will solve the second question, next question, which has that kind of a question, roots.
Ma'am, we can leave the answer as a fraction, right?
Yes, you can leave the answer as fraction only.
Mom, can you put down?
Ma'am, what about the type 1 question?
We will solve all those. I'm trying to tell you, explain you the quadratic formula, how to solve. Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in this question, 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to 3. So in this question, first simplify. So for simplification, what is LCM?
X square minus
Square
2x.
minus 2x.
X into x minus 2, product of these two, because nothing is common. So x into x minus 2 is the LCM. So here you have to multiply with x minus 2 minus this fraction, you have to multiply with x. So minus x is equal to 3, minus x plus x cancel, minus 2 by x square minus 2x is equal to 3. So multiplication this side, minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 6x. So minus 2 transfer it to RHS. 0 is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Right? Now here 3 2s are 6. By the factorization, if you want to factorize, then also you are not able to. Reason, you need a product of two terms as 6 plus 6 and the sum is minus 6, which is not possible to calculate. So we have to solve this by quadratic formula. For this, write the value of A. A is
3.
3
3, B is
minus 6.
minus 6 and C is plus 2. So first find the value of B square minus 4AC, that is minus 6 square minus 4 into 3 into 2. 6 square is 36 minus 3 4s are 12, 24. So it is 12. So B square minus 4AC is 12. Then square root of B square minus 4AC is square root of 12. Square root of 12, if you want to write in a mixed this one asserts, then
2 root 3.
2 root 3. And then now use formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b means minus of minus 6 plus minus. So value of square root of b square minus 4ac we already got, that is 2 root 3 divided by 2 into a, that is 3. Minus minus plus 6 plus minus 2 root 3 by 6, right? So we can take 2 common here. We cannot subtract, add anything. So we can take 2 common. So what is left in the bracket?
3 plus root 3.
3 plus minus root 3 divided by 6. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 3 plus minus root 3 by 3. So this is your final answer. So one value of x is 3 plus root 3 by 2. Another value of x is 3 minus root 3 by 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Able to understand what to do with irrational numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write down. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
So now it is depends on you. If you are able to solve by factorization, always solve by middle term splitting. If there are some questions where we can't use factorization or some of the middle terms you are not able to get, that time you can go for quadratic formula. Okay, understood? Otherwise, try first by factorization. Factorization, if it is not working, then we are going for formula. So first question. Now starting with the first. Exercise 1, first question. It is already factorized. It is already present in the factors. Yeah.
In the 19th question, I tried with the quadratic formula. I'm getting 3 plus root 5 by 2.
Yeah, possible, I think so. 19. What is the answer written? Answer is there after the full exercise.
Yes, ma'am. It's given 3 plus or minus root 13, but I'm getting root 5.
So check the mistake you have done. Instead of addition, you have done subtraction in b square minus 4ac form. Now see here, everyone, already it is factorized. Two factors are already available. So what we have to do to get the value of x? Two different brackets equated to 0 separately. So x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So value of x is 4 or value of x is minus 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one is also similar. Solve. Anyone still has a facing problem in middle term splitting? Everyone able to know this? Know how to do?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Everyone has idea how to solve middle term splitting?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Not finding middle terms, that is a different part. That is how to find that. That is only you have to remember. You have to remember those only. Now here, what is the value of x? One value of x is
Minus 3
Minus
by
3 by
2 and 7 by 3.
7 by 3. Right. Now here we need 3 5s are 15. Remember one thing. If you need a product 15 and the sum is the just one less than that number, then you have to use always that number into 1. If you need a product a number and the sum is 1 less than that number, so 15 and 14 is the sum. Now here you can use directly the number into 1. So 3x square minus 15x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. And two larger number, out of the larger number, two numbers, larger number should have the middle numbers assigned. Then factorize 3x into bracket x minus 5 plus 1 into bracket x minus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 5 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So value of x is 5 or 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3. 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Product needed is
6x.
6x.
6 only, and the sum needed is. So what we have to do?
-3 minus
Minus.
This is sum of the two terms should be -5. So it is 3x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 2. 3x into bracket x minus 1 minus 2 into bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1, 3x minus 2. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2 by 3.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for getting 5, you could do it like -6 and minus 6x plus x also, right?
Minus 6x plus
Plus
x.
x. That
What
would
is the
also be
product?
minus. Ma'am, 6.
What is the
See,
product of
that's
these two?
3 and 2 is 6, ma'am.
Are you there? Able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me, Aristan, what is the product of these two?
Ma'am, it's okay. It's -6 and we want +6.
Understood?
Got it.
Completed this question?
Yes.
Now 6th one you can solve. The 7th one. Now this question. Possible to solve by factorization?
No, ma'am.
It's actually possible, but tough for you people now. So you can use it formula. We can solve, but it is, yes, it just take time. Will not be so easy. So don't waste time. Immediately solve by quadratic formula. So it is a is equal to 2, b is equal to a, and c is equal to minus a square. So first find out b square minus 4ac. B square is a square minus 4 into 2 into minus a square. Now remember, some of the students have the habit of taking x also. So they will write x and all those. So because of x, all the simplification, you can't simplify that easily. So you are not supposed to take x values. You are only supposed to take the value, this coefficients of x. So a square minus minus plus 8a square. So it is 9a square. So b square minus 4ac is 9a square. So square root of b square minus 4ac is, what's the square root?
3a.
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 So
3a,
x
right?
is equal to, yeah, 3a minus b plus minus square root under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute values. What is minus b? Is a. Minus a plus minus 3a by 2 into 2. 4. Simplify. Minus a plus minus 3a by 4 is x value. So one value of x is with plus sign in between by 4, or another value of x is with minus sign, minus 3a by 4. So this is equal to 2a by 4, where 1, 2 is a by 2, or x is equal to minus 4a by 4, 4 get cancelled, minus a. So one value of x is a by 2, another value of x is minus a. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, or solve all. No, 11th is not needed. Solve all by formula only. Remaining all questions of first type is by formula. No. It is 13th, 14th you can solve by factorization. 13th and 14th you can solve by factorization. Even 9th also you can solve by factorization. 8th also solve by factorization only. 8th do by factorization. 9th also by factorization. 10th by formula. 11th factorization. 12th formula. 13th, 14th factorization. 15th formula. 16th formula. No, not formula. Middle term splitting. 16th one. Fine, then you can leave. Try to finish questions till 16. Okay.
Ma'am, all questions till 16.
All what? 7 already are done.
I mean the rest.
Rest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 questions. Okay.
Can make a folder.
Yeah, I will make the folder.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, could you send the PDF for the quadratic equation?
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Ma'am, can you just solve the eighth one?
Factorization. Oh, sorry. Open the bracket. Ax square plus 4a square, x is outside here, minus 3bx minus 12ab equal to 0. And then factorize separately. Here we can take ax common. So it is x plus 4a, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then from this one, what we can take common?
From the next one, minus 3b.
Minus 3b. So what is left in the bracket? X plus 4a.
Yes, ma'am.
Both the
Got it.
brackets are same. So x plus 4a into ax minus 3b. X is equal to minus 4a, or here ax minus 3b equal to 0. Ax is equal to 3b. X is equal to 3b by a. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.